Describe the cell divisions. Describe in cell divisions of phytogenome. Cell division in the vegetative of phytogenome is a unique process that involves a specialized mechanism for cell elongations, and the formations of characteristics caps. And the process primarily involves mitosis, ensure the longitudinal and unbranched, ensure the singular and the growth of the unbranched filaments. Steps of vegetative cell divisions. uh, Steps of vegetative cell division: nuclear migrations. This single nucleus typically located on the central portions of the cells. Central move towards the upper or distal ends. Ring formation, ring-like thickening, composed of a new cell wall materials, likely hemicellulose or a polysaccharides, develop on the inner surfaces of the lateral cells, and before just before apical on the cells. Meiosis. The nucleus then undergoes meiosis. Forming two daughter cells, a layer of microtubules, phycoplast, and a and a vesicle and a vesicle and a vesi and a vesicle, accumulated between the nuclei, which define the positions of the future of cross wall septums. ठीक ना? Cross wall septums, cell wall elongations and cell wall elongations, and cell wall elongation and wall structure. Wall structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ना, the parent cell wall splits transversely adjustments to the new ring formed, then ring formed 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 is stretches, then ring formed is rapidly stretches, unfolded into a new and unfolded into the new cylindrical sections of the cell wall, and allowing the cells to elongate. फिर क्या बोलते हैं, सेप्टम फॉर्मेशंस एंड कैप. The transverse septum cross walls on the transverse septum cross walls on the form of the indicate vesicles, and the moving upwards to the grow on the newly expand ring sections. Newly expand the small lateral stifles of the cells, which attach to the upper outer cells, and forming a distinct cap. ठीक ना? इसके बाद outer cells. The outer results into outer cells. This process resulting into outer cells, and offer the bears enters the cap and multiple caps if it has divided before, and the new lateral cells was divided symmetrically and is and is separated is and is stresses is pre-material 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 cell, pre-material pre-material the number of cell, the number of cell the number of cell the number of cell the number of cells the number of cells the number of cells on a caps the number of caps on a cell is number of cell on a cap is a क्या cell है number of caps in a diagnostic feature and indicating how many times that the specific the cell has undergone इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं इसे cell undergoes इसके बाद division related to reproduction cell divisions also occurs cell division also occurs cell division also occurs cell division also occurs both asexual and sexual reproductions and during the different mechanism and asexual reproduction as for certain vegetative cells often and cap cells and the functions as zoospermia. The entire protoplast transforms into a single large multiflagellated zoospore. Multiflagellated zoospores and multiflagellated zoospores multiflagellated zoospores the entire swims which is then released as swims as which is then released and swims as which is then released and swims as a new characteristic and dividing mitotic division forming a new filaments इसके बाद फिर क्या से लास्ट में क्या से है sexual reproductions meiosis and zygote after the fusions of male and female gametes sperms and eggs and during the sexual reproduction a diploid zygote oospore is formed oospore is formed ठीक है ना oospore is formed इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं दिस बताते हैं कैसे है नहीं कैसे थले oospore is formed this this mitotic division नहीं this mitotic division हलाई this mitotic division the oospore is formed इसके बाद कैसे हलाई the oospore is formed कैसे थले hypod nuclei the oospore is formed oospore is formed इसके बाद फिर कैसे थले तो the oospore is formed the thick white oospore is formed and the thick white oospore is formed and reduction divisions and reduction division are for haploid and mesospores and the for haploid and which is mesospores and during which divide mitotically divides to form a new haploid genome filaments completing the haplonetic life cycles. Answer complete.